Looks like I just missed an opportunity to make a video showing me installing the carb kit that I bought for this Weedeater, and I also installed some new fuel line hoses. I still have one hose left to replace. I couldn't find the right size hose, but I'm going to try to order one online. I just got it all back together and I went to use it, and wouldn't you know, I ran out of string, so I'm going to make a video about that. Hey everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to be replacing the string in this Weedeater Featherlite XT-25 trimmer. And the first thing I'm going to have to do here is get this spool off. The spool just pulls right off. The only thing to watch for is to make sure that you wind the string on the spool in the direction of the arrows. This is actually a pretty simple job with this trimmer. You could really do it with one hand except for tying the knot and having to cut the string with the knife. Yeah, this one is really pretty simple to do. It's the dual string trimmers that are a little bit trickier. This one, it's just a matter of winding the string on the spool and putting the spool back in place. Yeah, as I was saying, it's a pretty easy job, and as you can see, I was able to do most of it while I was holding the camera with my other hand. Well, almost. Well, now that the string is installed, I'm going to fire it up and see how it works. If you found this video entertaining, helpful, or informative in some way, please don't forget to like it, and you can also comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.